how to enable secure boot in Windows 11. So let's get started. Firstly, open the Start menu. While holding down Shift on your keyboard, click on the power icon and then Restart. When your computer restarts, click Troubleshoot, then choose Advanced Options. Now click UEFI firmware settings and then Restart. Now look for a boot option or security tab to find the secure boot option. Select secure boot and set it to enabled or on if it's not already. So that is it. Secure boot is an important security feature that most modern computers have in place for our own good. Why should you enable it? Because it ensures that only trusted and verified code can run when your computer starts up, meaning no other software can be injected into the boot process, potentially compromising your PC's security. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.